Hello everyone, what's up? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my class. So as we are discussing ninth lesson, a tiny seed, let us see the grammar part, adverbs. What do you mean by adverb? Yeah, it is one of the part of speech, right? So do you know the definition of adverb, children? So adverb is nothing but it modifies or describes a verb. For example, he sing loudly. Here loudly describes the verb, how she sang. She sang loudly. Okay? Now adverbs consists of some types. Suppose adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, etc. So in this lesson you are having adverbs of manner and adverbs of time. So let us discuss adverbs of manner first. Here Wangari went to school happily. The girl ate slowly. And children, remember these adverbs end with ly. Adverbs of manner, it tells us how people do the things. The words happily and slowly tell us how the people did something. Okay? And they answered the question how they did. We usually add ly to an adjective to form an adverb of manner. Shy plus ly equals to shyly. Here proud plus ly equals to proudly. Here the example has been given. Let us see. The girl ate slowly. It describes how she ate. She ate slowly. Okay. This is the adverb of manner. Now here note. Sometimes the spelling of words ending with y change when we add ly to them. Okay. For example, angry. angry, angry plus ly. So what you have to use whenever this word which ends with y, you have to add ily, angrily. Here pretty plus ly equals to prettily. ily we have added. Here easy plus ly equals to easily. Okay. Now let us see. First one, match the words in A with the correct words in B. First is the baby is sleeping. We must talk softly. Okay, you have to match here E. Second, the floor is wet. Walk carefully. A option. Then third, she sings very sweetly. F option. Fourth, Aditi writes very neatly. B option. Fifth, the man shouted angrily. D option. Sixth, the plane landed safely. C option. Well, now let us see. B bit. Complete these sentences with the correct forms of the words in the box. Here is the help box for you. And first one, let us see. My brother plays music dash. You have to select here and you have to add ly. Okay. Nothing but loudly. Second, she ran dash because she had hurt her leg. Nothing but slowly. Third, if I finish my homework dash, I can go out and play. Nothing but quickly. Fourth, he dash cleaned the kitten's wound. Nothing but gently. Fifth, her best friend moved to another town. She said goodbye to him dash. Nothing but sadly. Sixth, the children dash opened her presents. Nothing but eagerly. ly we have added. Seventh, the monkeys chattered dash as they played in the branches of the tree. Noisily. Okay. Well. Next is the grammar fun. See here children, your teacher will divide the class into two groups. Each group must think of a verb and an adverb that go together. For example, talk softly, walk slowly. Okay. So one person from the group will have to act these out. The other group will have to guess the words. Play this game for 5 minutes. See which group gets the most number of correct answers. So what you have to do? So instead of playing in the class, you can play at home with your siblings. Okay? So 2 persons should be there. One should act and one should identify what she is acting. Suppose for example, talk softly. Here talk is verb and softly is adverb. In the same way, you have to use some more words. For example, write neatly. You have to do the act, okay, as writing neatly. So the other person will be guessing that what you are doing. Okay, you can play this at home. Now, read these sentences. Wangari finished her studies. Then she returned to Kenya. Today, millions of trees have grown from the seeds. Here is the adverbs of time. It tells when an action takes place. They answer the question when. Okay. So some adverbs of time are tonight, late, yesterday, early, tomorrow and soon. These are the examples of adverbs of time. So well, we will stop till here. The remaining bits I'll be explaining you in the next video. So till that time, please go through the adverbs, adverbs of manner and adverbs of time. That's all for today. Take care. Bye-bye.